Hey, Gary Baker here with Publisher Report. Today we're going to be looking at an interesting spin on the idea of low content with a very interesting niche that has tons of possibilities if you just dig a little bit into the results of the main keyword and then of course do some more digging. And what we're going to be looking at is trivia and trivia books. We're going to scroll down past the sponsored books and we're going to look at the organic results right here. And we're just going to take a look at some of these BSRs and start getting some ideas. The Big Trivia Quiz Book, 25,789. Timeless Trivia Volume 1, BSR 41,858. Stuff You Should Know, an Incomplete Compendium of Mostly Interesting Things, 5,092. With the largest BSR right here of 161,764 for these top organic results. Now, as always, we need to dig a little deeper to think about how we could actually create a book in this niche of trivia. And then when we find a little space in this niche, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and dig down even further, find out what's working and find out what's not working by using the information that Amazon has given us right here on Amazon.com. So to do that, we'll go back to Amazon and we'll type in trivia, and let's go trivia for kids, trivia for seniors with dementia, trivia for old people. And this is a good indication. The SPT, the Self-Publishing Titans keyword niche score, is giving us a green light at 65. We're at about 1,000 results for trivia for old people. Of course, now we're going to scroll down and we're going to look at the first book that we see right here, and we're going to take a look at that BSR of 19,600, 417 more games, puzzles, and trivia challenges specially designed to keep your brain young. Open that up and you're going to see it's never too late to improve your brain. Achieving and maintaining a higher level of fitness can be surprisingly fun, and to your brain, it's healthy exercise. Of course, all the descriptions inside of this about keeping your brain young is targeted for trivia for old people, which is a keyword that we got the green light on. There are 667 ratings, so let's dig a little deeper into what people liked and they didn't like. 79% 5-star. Down here you have a few 1, 2, and 3-star reviews. So let's just take a look at this 2-star review. The puzzles and challenges are repetitive in a large portion. About 1/3 of this book is based mainly on pop culture trivia, which is not my thing, especially pop culture trivia from the 50s and 70s. Additionally, what's with this on page 34? Name 5 famous overweight people. This is bizarre. I would not recommend this book. Something to think about here in this niche is when you think about the book that you're creating, in this case, trivia for old people. Obviously, we don't know how old this person is, but they said they weren't interested in the pop culture genre, specifically between those ranges of dates that they gave us. Another thing is they didn't like the bizarre trivia that was in the book. So maybe that is a way to go right there by thinking about creating a book specifically about bizarre trivia and then leaving that out of a book like this that's targeted specifically for old people that just may not be interested in things that are bizarre. So that takes us back to Amazon, thinking about different ways to say trivia. How about facts? Of course, our SPT, Self-Publishing Titans keyword expansion tool is going to give us tons of ways to look at facts. And you can scroll down through here and you can start getting some ideas. And of course, you have facts for farmers, facts for adults, facts for kindergarten. So let's go down the rabbit trail of facts for kids age 5, facts for teens, facts for visitors, facts for adults, facts for farmers. How about facts about? Facts about the cow, facts about turtles, facts about the earth, facts about narwhals for kids, facts about the moons, facts about facts about animals for kids. Here's one for you. What about fun facts? Fun facts books, fun facts for adults. Fun facts books for adults. Our keyword niche score from the SPT Chrome extension is a 34, but our research doesn't stop there. As we scroll down, you are going to be able to see some great information here in the sponsored products with some really interesting BSRs, as well as some interesting titles such as Mind Blown, Amazing Facts About This Weird, Hilarious, Insane World. Tons of keywords there. The Totally Awesome Book of Useless Information. Really interesting stuff you don't need to know. Mega edition, over 3,000 fascinating facts. Scroll down one more level. True facts that sound like BS. 500 insane but true facts that will shock and impress your friends, with a BSR of 8,492. So as you can see, lots of fun facts here to find right here on Amazon about this really interesting niche of trivia. And in my opinion, I don't think this is too far out of the scope for low content, because it really wouldn't be that hard to go out and dig up some trivia, some fun facts, some weird facts, some facts about animals, all these things that we found just by thinking about one keyword of trivia, drilling into books, finding out what people had to say about those books, whether they liked it, what they didn't like, and then even taking something that wasn't liked, a piece of bizarre trivia that a person didn't like, we were able to turn into more niche research into this fascinating world of trivia, trivia books, facts, fun facts, bizarre facts, simple facts that we can take and we can turn into books that I think are going to do really well. Of course, if you need to know how to get started building a book to actually publish it, go ahead, click on the video you see on the screen right now. It's going to give you some really fun facts about publishing a low content book on Amazon. Click that, watch that, and I look forward to seeing you in that video. Talk to you later. Bye.